Artificial intelligence is transforming lead generation, and in today's video, I'll walk you through a straightforward, free method you can use to gather thousands of quality leads in any niche and set up an automated outreach system that contacts those leads 24/7, even while you're sleeping. All right, let's dive right into the process. Step 1. Using Google to find leads. To start, we'll use Google to search for potential leads based on your industry. Google's advanced search features let us locate profiles on specific platforms, like Instagram or LinkedIn. Target our industry, and filter results for profiles with visible email addresses. Here's how to set up the search query. Choose the website. Specify the platform by starting with site Instagram.com, or any site you want to search on. Specify the niche. Use keywords for the industry you're targeting, like life coaches, dentists, lawyers, etc. Include email domains. Tell Google to return profiles that include popular email domains by adding @gmail.com or @yahoo.com or @hotmail.com. This narrows results to profiles with an email address. For example, if you want leads in the life coaching industry on Instagram, type Instagram.com lifecoach@gmail.com. This query directs Google to search Instagram for profiles labeled life coach that also include a Gmail address. You can add other email domains as needed. After entering the search, you should see a list of profiles that match your criteria. This method can produce hundreds, even thousands of targeted leads, complete with emails from a simple search. Step 2. Organize leads using ChatGPT. Now that you've gathered results, the next step is to organize this data for easy outreach. Here's how. Copy all results. Select all the results by pressing CMD+A, Mac, or Ctrl+A, PC, then copy. Paste into ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and paste the copied results. Use a formatting prompt. To create a neatly organized table, prompt ChatGPT with Mathematica. Format the data below into a table with columns: full name, company name, URL, email, and phone number. ChatGPT will automatically create a table, organizing each profile into columns with the full name, company name, website link, email, and phone number, if available. This table is now ready to be imported into a Google Sheet for the next step. Step 3. Set up automated outreach with Google Sheets and Make.com. With your leads organized in a Google Sheet, let's set up automation using Make.com, which will send personalized emails on your behalf. Create a new Google Sheet. Copy the table from ChatGPT into a new Google Sheet. Name it something like Lead Outreach Test for easy identification. Open Make.com and create a new scenario. Log into your Make.com account and start a new scenario. This will open a blank canvas where you'll build your automation workflow. Configuring the trigger. In Make.com, you'll start by creating a Google Sheets trigger to kick off the process whenever new rows are added. Here's how to set it up. Select Google Sheets as the trigger module. Set trigger frequency. To avoid spamming email providers, set the frequency to every hour. This spreads out your emails so they don't all send at once. Link Google Sheets to Make.com. Connect your Google account by selecting Add at the top and signing in. Choose the sheet. Select Lead Outreach Test from your Google Drive. Select Sheet and Columns. Choose Sheet 1, or whichever sheet holds your data, and verify that the headers are included. Set Limit. Limit results to 1 per hour so that 1 email goes out every hour, preventing spam flags. Setting up email outreach. With the trigger in place, the next step is to set up automated email sending through Gmail. Add Gmail as the action module. Select Send an email as the action. Connect Gmail to Make.com. If it's your first time, press Add and log in with your Google account. Set the email recipient. Click on the recipient field and select the email column, column D, from your Google Sheet. Make.com will pull each email address one by one for every new row, so each contact receives their email individually. Craft the subject line and email content. Subject line. Keep it personal. Example. Quick question for company name. Use column headers as variables in Make. Come to pull dynamic data from each row. Email body. Keep the message brief and engaging. Example. Hi, first name. I wanted to reach out to see if company name is currently accepting new clients. I run an AI automation agency that can boost conversions by up to 60% in 90 days. Can I send a quick report on how we could help? Best! Mark! Test the automation. Once your email template is ready, run a test email to ensure everything is working as expected. Step 4. Finalize and activate your automation. After configuring the Gmail action, here's how to finish. Save and turn on. Save your automation and turn it on in Make.com. This will ensure your emails send on autopilot as new leads are added. Monitor performance. Check your Google Sheet and Make. Come regularly to ensure the automation is running smoothly and that emails are sending at the correct intervals.